PokéPark Kanto, the first permanent outdoor Pokémon attraction, will open soon. PokéPark Kanto is built on roughly 26,000 square meters of land within Japan's Yomiuriland amusement park.
Pokémon has grown so much thanks to lots of support from many people. So we wanted to make a place everyone could come together and enjoy. A space where Pokémon will always be, and where people and Pokémon can have fun together. That wish prompted us to begin work on a world where Pokémon truly exist.
PokéPark Kanto can be broadly divided into two areas.
Pokémon live within the forest. When you step inside, you'll find Pokémon playing together in groups. We want to broaden people's idea of how Pokémon live and interact with one another by letting them experience a world with Pokémon in it. A place where we can tell visitors, welcome to the world of Pokémon.
As you enter, you'll be greeted by the diverse landscape of this rich natural forest where Pokémon reside. There's also an area where Pokémon and trainers gather, the town of your dreams. Here, encounters with a variety of Pokémon await you.